Use species-specific bait and live capture methods to reduce stinging insect activity while protecting pollinators. For wasps, focus on species-specific bait traps that use protein baits in late summer and sugar baits in early spring, since wasp dietary preferences shift with season. Place traps at least 20 feet from living areas and at heights between 3 and 6 feet, downwind of human activity, and check them twice weekly to empty and refresh baits so non-target insects have less exposure. For honeybees, the correct path is live removal by a local beekeeper who can safely extract the hive and relocate it, so document the exact nest location, take clear photos, and call experienced apiarists rather than attempting to remove comb yourself because hive structure and queen transfer require careful handling. Bottle traps made from plastic bottles with a funnel entrance work well for pest, paper, wasps, and yellowjackets when baited with a meat-based attractant for worker protein foragers. Cut and fit the funnel so returning wasps can enter but struggle to leave and hang the trap on tree limbs or stakes away from doorways and play areas. If you prefer commercially sold live trap kits, read product instructions for mesh size and trap opening dimensions because too large a mesh lets bees escape and too small a hole can harm captured insects. Always wear light-colored clothing, avoid floral scents, and approach traps slowly during servicing to reduce defensive behavior. Use nest destruction only when nests present immediate danger and after confirming species identity because removing a honeybee colony destroys pollinators and compounds local pollination deficits. If removal is unavoidable, hire professionals who use smoke and proper protective gear to minimize harm. Record dates, bait types, and trap locations in a simple log so you can see trends and adjust strategy rather than repeatedly changing methods without data. Homeowners commonly mistake using sweet baits year-round, which attracts honeybees instead of targeting protein-seeking wasps. Switch bait types seasonally and move traps away from flowering plants to avoid pulling in pollinators. Another frequent issue is placing traps too close to human activity, which increases interactions and stings. Solution is to site traps downwind and at least 20 feet from patios, children play areas, and doorways. People often attempt hive removal themselves and damage the colony or get stung excessively. Contact local beekeepers for live removal or hire trained removers who can safely extract comb and queen. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors experienced in live hive removal and humane wasp control, and we make it easy for contractors to find work by listing services and contacting interested homeowners. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field-tested tips and local referral names so everyone can learn practical, safe approaches to managing stinging insects.